Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let's praise the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Taala has given guidance so the ISAS can be completed. The project is entitled Kali Linux Operating System. The definition of operating system. An operating system, OS, is a software that acts an interface between computer hardware components and the user. Every computer system must have at least one operating system to run other programs. Applications like browsers, MS Office, Notepad games, etc. need some environment to run and perform its tasks.
The function of operating system. Number 1. Security. To protect user data, the operating system employs password protection and other similar techniques. It also protects program and user data from unauthorized access. Number 2. Operating system for data management. This is information can be used to track resource usage for a specific user or group of users by keeping track of the same time and the resource used by various tasks and users. Number 3. Built-in utility program to support. This is the program responsible for detecting and correcting error in the operating system. And number 4, application execution is the ability to run a program such a word processor by locating and loading it into primary memory. Most operating systems can be multitask by running multiple applications at the same time. Number 5, offering a user interface. Developer create graphical user interface to allow user to easily click something without having to understand how or why they click an icon. Each icon on a desktop represents code that point to the location that the icon represents. It makes it very simple for inexperienced user.
Type of operating system. Operating system have existed since the first computer generation and have evolved over time. The following are some of the most common types of the operating system. 1. Batch computer operating system. A batch operating system, users do not interact with the computer directly. Each user prepares his job on an offline device, such as punch cards before submitting it to the computer operator. 2. Multitasking or time-sharing operating system. Time-sharing is a technique that allows multiple people located at different terminals to use the same computer system at the same time.
Various of operating system. Windows from Microsoft in the mid 1980s, Microsoft created the Windows operating system. Windows has many different versions, but the most recent one are Windows 10, released in 2015, Windows 8, 2012, Windows 7, 2009, and Windows Vista 2007. Windows comes pre-installed on the majority of new PC, which contributes to its status as the world's most popular operating system. 2. DOS from Microsoft. MS-DOS was created by Tim Patterson, and MS-DOS allows users to navigate, open, and otherwise manipulate files on their computer using a command line rather than a graphical user interface like Windows. Number 3. Linux. Linux Torvald created Linux, a free open source operating system based on Unix in 1991. User can modify and create distribution of the source code for a computer and other device. The most common application is a server, but Linux is also found in desktop computer, smartphone, ebook reader, and gaming console, among other things. Number 4. Debian. Debian, also known as Debian GNU or Linux, is a Linux distribution made up of free and open source software developed by the community support Debian project, which found on August 16, 1998, 1993 by Lan Murdoch. Debian first version was released on September 15, 1993, and its first stable version on June 17, 1999. The most popular edition for personal computer and server is Debian Stable. Debian is also served as foundation for many other distributions, most notably Ubuntu. Number 5. Mac OS. OS Apple Mac OS, the successor to the popular OS X operating system, is available on Apple laptops and desktop computer, based in part on the historic family of Unix operating system developed at AT&T's Bell Labs in the 1960s. macOS shares some features with other Unix-related operating systems, such as Linux, while the graphical interface differs. Many of the underlying programming interface and command line features do not. 6. Unix. Multitasking, multi-user, computer operating system that extremely powerful. Ken Thompson and Dennis Ritchie create Unix for a mini computer application at AT&T Bell Telephone Laboratories between 1969 and 1973. Unix is used on a wide range of computers, from mainframe to PDAs, because it is written in the highly portable C programming language. Some Unix variants, known as Linux, have been developed, some of which are available as a freeware.
Definitions of Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a Linux distribution based on Debian that is also the successor to Backtrack, a network supernaturation tool. Kali Linux is also available as a live CD and can be manually installed. Kali Linux history. The Kali Linux project started quickly in 2012 when OpenShift Security decided to replace their venerable Backtrack's Linux project, which was manually maintained, with something that could become a genuine Debian derivative, complete with all of the necessary infrastructure and improved packaging techniques. Kali was built on top of the Debian distributions because it is well known for its quality, stability, and wide range of available software. Kali released many incremental updates in the 2 years following versions 1.0, expanding the range of available applications and improving hardware support thanks to New York kernel release, while Kali Linux 1.
Features of Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a complete rebuild of Backtrack Linux that addresses strictly to the Debian development standards. All of the new infrastructure has been centralized. All of the tools have been reviewed and packaged and use GIT as VCS. 1. There are over 300 penetration tools that have been perfected. 2. GIT3 is a free and open source project. 3. Kali Linux is completely free to use in perpetuity. 4. As a result of the FHS complaint, 5. HRMEL and HRMHF support have been obtained. 6. Get a wide range of wireless device support. 7. Modified kernel that has been patched to meet induction requirements. 8. Modifications are possible. 9. Environment for developers that is secure. Benefits and disadvantages of using Kali Linux. Benefits of using Kali Linux. One of the primary benefits of using the Kali Linux operating system is that there is no need to spend any money. Some of the benefits of Kali Linux are as follows. 1. Improved performance as a derivative of Debian-based Wheezy. 2. Kali Linux communicates with the Debian repository up to 4 times per day. allowing it to update the most recent Debian package while also fixing security flaws. 3. Kali Linux include over 300 hacking and penetration testing tools. The hacking and penetration tools are the same as in the previous backtrack. Disadvantage using Kali. Another significant disadvantage of the Kali Linux operating system is that there are currently few software or applications that can support Kali Linux. The following are some of Kali Linux disadvantages are 1. Windows program will not able to run on the Kali Linux operating system. 2. Not all Linux distributions are compatible with all computers' hardware. 3. Because there are so few programs that can run on the Kali Linux OS, it is used by a very small number of people. 4. Unable to open files with the X extension.
Differences of Kali Linux and Debian. Kali Linux is geared towards professionals, penetration testing, and security auditing. Accordingly, several core changes have been implemented into Kali Linux that reflect the following requirements. 1. Single user, designed with root access. Due to the nature of security audits, Kali Linux is designed to be used in single root user scenarios. 2. Network services are disabled by default. Kali Linux contains a CVNet hook which disables network service by default. This hook allows use to install multiple services on Kali Linux, while ensuring that our distribution remains secure by default, no matter which package is installed. Additional services such as Bluetooth are also blacklisted.
Conclusion and suggest. Conclusion: Kali Linux is a Debian-based Linux distribution that is also the successor to Backtrack, a network penetration tool. Over 300 built-in tools are included with Kali Linux, each with its own function. Kali Linux is also available as a live CD that can be installed manually. Kali Linux has a simple and non-flashy appearance, and its use is quite simple, making it ideal for network penetration beginner. Kali Linux, in addition to being available for PC, also provide a ROM for Android called Kali Net Hunter that perform the same function. In contrast to Kali Linux 1, the end of result that effort was the release of Kali Linux 2.0 in August 2015. Kali Linux has many cool features, some of which are similar of the backtrack feature but have been improved by the developer so that the tools in this OS can be used by other Debian Linux derivative such as Blanco, Ubuntu, and so on. Some people may find this Linux operating system difficult to use because it contains features and functions that are quite different from basic coding. It's just that Kali Linux is one of the mainstays for those who want to take their knowledge of the open source operating system for the Linux family to the next generation level. Suggestion: this paper suggests to fellow students to continue to learn to develop the Linux operating system, distribute for free and not use pirate product.
Those are some of the things I can say on this particular occasion. We sincerely apologize if there are any words or actions that do not please all of the lecture. This brings my presentations to a close. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.